Hello students, welcome to the class 8 of science. Hope you are well and fine. Today I am going to discuss chapter 3, pollution of air and water with you. Students, environment sustain life. Environment has so many useful components which are needed by the human beings. Now let us take the example of air. Air has oxygen without which we cannot survive. It's not only the component and environment is needed, but the balance between them is also needed. You know, the composition of air, it has 21% of the oxygen, 0.03% of carbon dioxide. It has a meaning. But when disbalance is occur, then there is a problem. We say it got pollution. Now what is pollution? The presence of harmful substance in the environment is called pollution. Pollution causes undesirable changes in the physical, chemical and biological characteristics of natural resources that affect both organism and non-living objects. Any substance that causes pollution is called pollutant. Students, when do we say that the air is polluted? When harmful and undesirable components are added to air, then we say that air is polluted. For example, if carbon dioxide is increased in the atmosphere more than 0.03%, then there is a problem. There are many undesirable substances like nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, smoke, dust, and so many other components which causes air pollution. Now, what is happening these days? Number of automobiles are increasing like no other things. What is the result? There is so much smoke. Industries have also increased in the other hand. As a result, more and more carbon dioxide is releasing into the air, which causes air pollution. Now, what are the effects of these air pollution? First is smoke. Smoke is emitted by factories and thermal plant due to the burning of coal. Smoke causes respiratory disorders like cough and asthma. It can also causes irritability or watering of eye. Smoke which has unburnt carbon particles combined with fog. Now what is fog? It is a water droplet in air. When it combines with fog, it forms smog which reduces the visibility, which in turn causes accidents. This is especially common in winter. CFC is also called as chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons are produced from coolant in refrigerator, air conditioner and aerosol spray. They damage the ozone layer of the atmosphere. That is, they are responsible for the depletion of ozone layer. Children, do you know what is the importance of ozone layer? Yes, it filters the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun, which causes skin cancer. Next is acid rain. On one hand, we say that purest form of water is rain, and on the other hand, I am talking about acid rain. You know, due to the air pollution, there is an increased level of acidic oxide like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and when it combined with water, they form acidic oxides, which are corrosive in nature. Even it spoils or corrodes the monument. You know the case of Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. India's most famous monument, Taj Mahal, has become a matter of concern. Why? Because of the acid rain. It corrodes the marble of the monument. The soot particles emitted by Mathura oil refinery have contributed towards the yellowing of the marble. Next is the greenhouse effect. Students, greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide has a property that it can trap heat. When heat of the sun enters the atmosphere, it is reflected back, but the carbon dioxide molecules do not let them go back, and then the result is the increase of earth temperature, and which also causes the global warming, and the effect of it is greenhouse effect. Due to the global warming, glaciers are melting and sea level is also increasing. Prevention of air pollution. Children, we can take certain steps to produce less smoke. For example, plant trees more and more to reduce the increasing greenhouse effect. Reduce vehicle exhaust. Use environment friendly or clean fuel like CNG. CNG contain methane which on burn lesser pollutant than coal and petrol. Using mass transport. Industrial area should be sited far away from the residential areas. Thermal power stations, plants and factories should equipped designed properly to limit the emission of pollutant in air. Use of tall chimney reduce concentration of air pollutant at ground level. You have understood this module. Remaining part will be continued in the second video. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.